Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be introducing this platform to you guys called Fire VIP, where you just watch ads to make high earnings. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know from the very first step to the last very step. So I bring to you guys ways you can make money online using several platforms. So this one right here is Fire VIP. Okay, so if you go to firevip.com or you click on my link in the description box below, you're gonna be brought straight to a page where you need to sign up for an account. Okay, so you just need to sign up with your number and your password, and then you will land straight to this place. After signing up, then you can download the app by clicking on this download app, and the app will be on your smartphone. Now so once you are here, the first thing you need to do, I'm going to walk you through the platform. Okay, so if you go to this mine section right here, you see that there are a lot of packages and a lot of stuff you can do. So if you go to if you come to this section right now, you see that you can grab this offer that's ongoing. So I'll just leave it and show you how the platform works. Okay, so basically how this platform works is you are going to be watching ads. If you click on this ad machine, you are going to be watching ads in order for you to make money. As you can see, I have this free ad machine that I've watched and I've completed it today, and as you can see my balance, it has reflected right here, so which is very simple. So I'm going to also walk you through exactly how to deposit money inside this platform, so you don't have anything to worry about. So if I go to this section right here, you're going to see that this is my balance, 300 and something. I can top up and I can withdraw. Now for you to make good money from this platform, you need to top up your account, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to top up your account and take advantage of everything they have to offer right here, so that you can be watching ads that is going to give you more money. So to top up your account, you can do that in two ways. Is that you come to this section and click on this ad machine, or you come to this section and click on this mine section right here. So once you click on any of them, let's say I click on mine, I can easily top up from here. Or if I go to ad machine, I can easily top up from this go to rent. Okay, so once you're here, click on top up, then you're going to be brought straight to this section right here. So this is what it will look like. Okay, so right now the lowest money we can top up is 4,000 Nigerian naira, which is simple. So we can top up 4,000 Nigerian naira, or we can top up 16,000 or 40,000 or 160,000, and so on and so forth. So for this video sake, I'm going to be topping up 4,000 naira so that I can unlock this A-level ad machine, and I'll be earning this amount. Okay, so just click on go to rent, and it's going to ask me that I have insufficient rent, I should top up. I'll just click on top up, and it's going to bring this section to me. So right now what I need to enter is the details. So right now, like I told you, I'm going to be topping up 4,000 naira. So I just click the 4,000 naira, and I'll choose the method I want to pay. Is it by bank card transfer, or bank online banking, or bank transfer, or transfer? So I think I'll be doing bank card transfer. Then the reward, this is top up reward. If you top up, the platform will send you NFCs which can be exchanged in the platform homepage. Okay, so whatever, as you can see here, one NFC is equals to 1 naira. It is estimated that it can be exchanged at 1.10 or higher when launched on the exchange in August 22. So this is what it looks like. And so as you can see, this section right here, this is the top up, and this is the reward. So very simple. So these are the instructions for top up. If you encounter any problem during the withdrawal process, please contact our online customer service. So right now I'm going to be topping up 4,000 naira into this. So I'll just click on top up. I'm inputted 4,000, and I'll click on top up now, and it's going to direct me to where I'm going to enter my card details. Like you see right here, I'm going to enter my card details and make this deposit of 4,000 naira. Simple. So I'm going to enter all my card details right now and continue the video. So for now, I'm going to pause this video and come back after I've entered my card details. So right now I've entered my card details, so I'm going to continue with the process. So I'm going to continue right now, so stick around with me. So right now, as you can see, I have made this payment and it's successful. I've made 4,000 naira deposit, and it's redirecting me to the merchant or whatever he says. So I've made the deposit, and yeah, payment successful, and I've gotten my debit 4,000 naira. So right now we are going to go to the platform and continue the video. So make sure you stick around and you follow through all the processes and everything you need to do. Okay, so guys, this is it. I'm going to continue now with the video. So just go back and so alright guys, I just looked at my dashboard right now. As you can see, this money has reflected, the money we deposited has reflected, and this is 4.2 in my balance. So very simple guys. So right now all we want to do is to click on this ads machine right here. So just click on ads machine and we are going to land straight to this place right now. So so once we are here, we just go to this, go to rent, and we can click on this go to rent, and then we can rent this stuff, and we are going to be getting 54.75 percent, and as you can see, the rental period is 365 days. Number of ads viewed per day is 13 pieces. Rent is 4,000, and daily revenue is 200 naira. So you can just click on agree and click on rent now. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Very simple. And if you also want to withdraw, you just click on this withdrawal, and then you enter the amount you want to withdraw and your withdrawal information. Please enter your withdrawal. Please enter the username to withdraw. Enter the withdrawal account and choose the bank. Okay, so you can withdraw here, and you can also choose to click on this coin withdrawal, and you can withdraw this stuff to your USDT. You can withdraw your money to your USDT account. Okay, so that's how you go about the platform. So guys, I want to start taking action so that you can start making money. This thing is very simple. Okay, so just follow all the steps that I've showed you in this video, and you are going to get all the value. Very simple. Okay, so this is how you go about it. Remember to always come here and click on ads machine to always come here and watch ads. Okay, so that you can start making money. This money is very simple to make. Okay, so this is how you go about the platform. Remember, the link to sign up will be in the description box below. Make sure to use it so you are going to get some reward for yourself, and make sure to download the app so that you are going to get everything. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I want you to keep winning, and thank you very much for watching.